Welcome back. Now, this is called the fit-off stage, which is really exciting. At the moment, we are in Eadie's bedroom. As you can see, the painting has been done. My beautiful ABI tiles are finished and grouted, which is amazing. And fit-off means it's time for your electricals, of course your plumbing, all the fun stuff. Welcome to the kitchen, the heart of my home. I'm really proud of this space. I have chosen to go with an Australian stone. This particular one's called Dolce Vita. And in my islands, I don't like to have a sink or a cooktop because it does become the office, it becomes the homework bench, it's the brekkie bench. So the more space I can have here without any appliances is better for me. So I'll have my induction over here. I've got one of the magnificent hot taps, which will help me out greatly. The beautiful thing about all your fixtures and fittings is that they will be on site from very early in the piece. But when you finally get to unbox them and perhaps something's not quite right, do not panic. It happens all the time, but the customer service team will help you out with no problems. This is the Zalo. It's got the 2 sinks, same size. And the wonderful thing about it is you can either do it as an overmount, so you'll get the trim on the outside, or an undermount, so it sits underneath your stone. Make sure you decide which way you want your sink to sit before they cut your benchtop holes. We've then created a bit of a butler's around here for extra storage and to get rid of all those appliances that you don't want out on your bench. And I have another sink in there as well. So, as you can see, and as I've said, we are super close. I feel like we could move in. I don't know how impressed the builders would be seeing me in my jammies in the morning.